Welcome to the Jeep Bank, presented by Gaines Media and hosted by Rob Diddy. You are now about to watch amateur Jeep Cherokee XJ repairs and fixes.
Welcome to part of the Rob Diddy podcast on GainesMedia.com. This is Automotive Gains, the YouTube channel, / Instagram at XJ Gains. So, I'm currently afflicted with a problem. My XJ started leaking antifreeze and smoking from near the firewall, which turned out to be the manifold upper freeze plug that is on the top of the engine by the firewall. I took it to a mechanic. He stated that it would cost too much money and break too many wires to pull the engine out just to fix it, and told me my best bet was JB Weld or some other kind of welding substance on metal that does with high pressure. So, my problem is that it's not been working. I need somebody with a good redneck fix for this, or something that can get me to go down the road safely for a little bit longer in my $600 Jeep that otherwise runs perfectly without me spending a shit ton of money, since currently my entire job is being unemployed and putting all of my effort into making this media company work, which has been strongly backed by the people in the Jeep and XJ community. So if anyone has any idea, any concepts for helping me with this freeze plug situation, please comment below or follow, subscribe, or email info@gainesmedia.com. Thank you.